If you've lost access to your Zoom account and cannot access the email associated with it, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Zoom sign-in page. Go to the Zoom website and navigate to the sign-in page. Here, you will find options for account recovery. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On this sign-in page, click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the recovery process and prompt you for your email address. Step 3. Use alternative recovery options. Since you cannot access your email, look for alternative recovery options such as using a phone number linked to your account. If you see this option, enter your phone number to receive a recovery link via SMS. Step 4. Contact Zoom support. If you do not have access to the phone number either, visit the Zoom support page. Submit a request for account recovery, providing as much information as possible to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow up on your request. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email or phone for a response from Zoom support. They may ask for additional information to help verify your identity and assist with the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Zoom account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Zoom support for further assistance.